So today I'm going to show you how to do lentil moimoi. Lentil is another species of beans. So if you don't have lentil, you can actually use your normal beans. So right now I'm going to soak the lentil inside water for some time, and then I'll show you the next step to do. So the lentil has been soaked in water. Okay, so right here with me, my lentil is already soaked. I have drained, the lentil is soaked already, and so I have added different kind of pepper to it, and then my onion. I love onions a lot, and then I have my plantain already chopped. So the next thing we're going to do is to grind everything together. If you have a blender, you can use a blender, whatever you use. Just grind everything together so that you can have your paste that you use to prepare your moi. Alright, so here with me I have the paste, the lentil plantain paste already grinded. I'm going to be putting my dry fish in it. I'm going to be using the moimoi leaves. This gives it a special kind of natural flavor. I have here with me my palm oil. Palm oil is filled with a lot of nutrients. And then I have here with me mixture of salt and crayfish already mixed in it. I love diluting it in water so that it gets in very well. Then I'm also going to be putting my spices. This is Nature's Delight all-purpose seasoning. It can be used in whatever meal you want. It is natural, and of course you know what spices, herbs and seeds actually does to the body. So I'm going to be putting this a little into the mixture. Let me add a little more. I'm going to put in a little into the mixture, and then I think this my bowl is a little small, but let's manage it like that. So I mix it and then pour in my mixture inside. I said it's my bowl, it's a little small, but I'm going to manage it like that. I just mix it. Mix it till, and then I put in my fish, mix on. So you can add whatever you want to add to your moimoi. It just depends on what you actually love. It depends on what you, it just depends on what you love. So this is practically done. I'm going to be using my moimoi leaf. It's been a while I use this, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is my leaf, and this is how I do this is how I learned it. So you fold it here. There are different ways of using the leaf, and then you fold it at the opposite end again to make the bottom very tiny, and then you just turn this to the bottom. Can you see this? Yeah, do this, then open it up and pour in a little. If you pour much, it might not be, so you just pour in a little, and this is done. Can you see this? Then I turn it to the back and it's done. Do you see this? I place it in the pot, and that is how I'm going to do the remaining. So here you have it. Lentil plantain moimoi is ready. This is how easy it is. It's taking like 30 minutes or less on heat. So basically you can add whatever you want to add to the making of your moimoi. I hope you give this a try, and feel free to get back to me in case you've not subscribed to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel to get more value-packed content that will help you on your journey to living a healthy life. Thank you.